Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a huge giveaway and I have so much in here that I'm giving away to one of you guys, and it is one of those where I just decided I was going to go ahead, have a massive clear out and see things that I can give away to you guys. Also there are things in here that are some of my holy grails. Also there are some things that you'd seen here from my declutter video on the face and eyeshadow palettes, and I have so much stuff in here. So literally, this bag is full up of stuff and it's so heavy, it's hurting my arm, and you know that there is a lot of stuff in here when I have had to put it in a massive bag, because this is the biggest bag that I've ever had to use for any of my giveaways. And this giveaway is international, so no matter where you live in the world you can enter it. There are loads of beauty items in here, like I mentioned, stuff that I really like and stuff that I think that you guys will really enjoy as well. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So this giveaway is going away to one person, and there are so many things in here for one person. I was sort of thinking about doing it for two people, and I thought one person will be able to win all of the stuff, and I know that someone is going to be super happy as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that you can win. Also all the rules and how you can enter will be at the end of this video as well. So the first things that you'll win are two CAB Cosmetics lip kits, and I absolutely love these lip kits. I have every single shade that they have, and the first one is the Sugar and Spice one, which I believe is the best selling one that is pretty much always sold out. So this is what you get for this one. So you get the lip liner, the lip gloss, the lipstick and the sharpener in there, and this one is a nudie shade. And the other one that you'll get is the chocolate chip pudding, which is a beautiful shade. This is like a really nice brown shade, and I feel like it'll work on pretty much every single complexion. Like I said, I love these and they are the best lip kits I've tried. There's also 5 eyeshadow or face palettes as well, and you guys would have seen these in my declutter video. And the first one is the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Brighter Than My Future highlighter palette, and this is absolutely stunning. Never been swatched, never been opened. It looks absolutely beautiful, but I know that I'm not going to use it, and I'm really hoping that one of you guys will be able to get the use out of it. And the Makeup Revolution Strong Soul Contouring Palette, and this is what this one looks like. I haven't taken it out of the packaging, so I have no idea what the shades look like, but it is a contour palette. You get 4 shades in there, and I feel like it's probably going to be good for pretty much every skin tone as well. And there's also some BH Cosmetics palettes as well. So the first one is the Blush Neutrals 26 colour eyeshadow and blush palette, and this is what it looks like. Again, never been opened, is brand new as well. It looks like you can create so many different looks. It looks absolutely stunning, and you get blushes and eyeshadows in there, so I feel like that is a perfect thing for everyone to try. And the BH Cosmetics Bronze Paradise Iron Cheek palette as well. This one is so beautiful. I haven't taken out the packaging, I haven't swatched it, nothing like that, but I have seen photos of it online and it looks absolutely beautiful, so I feel like it'll probably be perfect for spring and summer. And the last palette is the BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant Baked Illuminating and Bronzing palette, and this one was in my declutter video, and this looks absolutely stunning, but I know for a fact that I'm not going to use it. You do get 4 shades in there, and they're like bronzers and illuminators, so that is what they look like if you can see, and they look absolutely beautiful. And I really do like BH Cosmetics baked eyeshadows and baked blushes and things like that. They are so pigmented. You'll also get one of the Ordinary foundations. This is my favourite foundation at the moment. I love the serum foundation. I really like the coverage foundation, so you'll get to choose whether you want the coverage or the serum foundation, and you'll also get to choose which shade that you want as well. But I absolutely love this foundation, so that's why I'm giving it away to one of you guys, because it is amazing and I want you guys to try it out as well. There's also 5 lip products as well. So the first one is the Sexy Mother Pucker by Soap and Glory, and this one is in the shade Charm Offensive, and this one is a beautiful pinky nude shade. The next one is the NYX Lingerie in the shade Confident, which is a brownie shade as well, and a Sleek Matte Me Ultra Smooth Lip Cream in the shade Shabby Chic. And this is what this one looks like. So this one is a beautiful pinky nude shade. And there's also 2 MAC lipsticks as well. The first one is the shade Ruby Woo, which is a bright red shade, and the second one is the Frost lipstick in the shade Angel. This one was my holy grail lipstick for such a long time, and I rediscovered it and I realised how much I absolutely love it. So this one's a really nice pale pink shade, and then this one is a bright red as well. There's also 4 eye products as well. So 3 of them are mascaras and 1 is a brow product. So the first one is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 2, and I've heard amazing things about this, so I thought you guys would be able to try it out. And the mascaras that you can get are the Maybelline Great Lash Blackest Black Mascara, and this is really good if you want a nice natural lash. The next one is the Soap and Glory Thick and Fast Mascara, and this one's Flash Extension Effect Mascara. So this one has fibres in it as well, and this one is supposed to be really good. So many people rave about this. And the last one is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I'm wearing it at the moment. I love it. I did do a first impression on it. It is now my holy grail, and it is just amazing, so I wanted you guys to try this out as well. And this is what this one looks like. There's also 2 products from Benefit as well. So you have the Benetton and the High Beam, and these ones are cult products that everyone loves, and this is what they look like. So they're both still in their box and never used, never opened, never swatched. These are supposed to be amazing. I do have the Benetton and I do really like it. I had a dupe of the High Beam years and years ago, which I loved. And the last two things are body sprays from Victoria's Secret, and this is what they look like. I love Victoria's Secret body sprays. They are amazing things. So the first one is the Love Spell Water Blooms and the other one is Champagne Glow. So that's everything that you can win in this giveaway, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you how you can enter. So there are two ways that you can enter. The first is through YouTube and the second is through Instagram. So you have to do the YouTube entry and then the Instagram one is a second entry, so you don't have to do that if you don't have an Instagram account. So to do your first entry for YouTube, you have to like this video and also be subscribed to my channel. You have to put a comment down below letting me know what your favourite beauty item is, and also let me know whereabouts you're from in the world, because I love to know where all of my subscribers are from. And like I mentioned, this is international, so no matter where you live in the world, you can enter the giveaway. If you also want a second entry, you can also enter through Instagram, and if you'd like to enter on Instagram, you have to be following me on Instagram. All of my links will be down below in the info section for you, so you can check those out. There will be this photo on my Instagram which you will need to repost on your own Instagram and tag me in it. In my photo, you do need to tag 3 of your friends in there. Let me know also where you're from in the world, putting down what your YouTube account is and tagging 3 of your friends and telling me what your favourite beauty item is as well. And those are the ways that you can enter the giveaway. All the rules will be down below in the info section for you, so you can check those out. And the giveaway is going to be open until this date right here, so it's going to be on the bottom of the screen, also down in the info section as well. So when I have chosen a winner, I will notify them on Instagram and YouTube to let them know that they've won. They do have 24 hours in order to respond to me. If they haven't responded to me within those 24 hours, then I will roll over all the prizes and I will do another giveaway later on this year. So when I have chosen a winner, I will update my Instagram account to let you know that the winner has been chosen. When they've gotten back to me, I will ask them if they'd like me to put their name on my Instagram page, just so you guys can see who's won. If they don't want me to do that, then obviously I won't put their name down on there, so it is the choice of the winner on there as well. So please don't ask me who's won the giveaway, because it will be updated on my Instagram so you can see it on there. So that is my giveaway, and good luck to everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you do give it a very big thumbs up and make sure that you also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!